Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. I hope you're doing well again. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are most welcome, and you can support the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing the video. So today's video, in my previous video we made a jollof rice recipe. We did indicate that jollof rice, the origin of jollof rice, that is Senegal. However, jollof rice is eaten by all and sundry, basically. Today, so follow on from that recipe, is a rice dish. We're gonna make some easy but scrumptious fried rice recipe that will leave you coming for more. So please stay tuned and watch as I take you through the process of making it. And I'm going to put the list of ingredients used in this recipe in the description for you to access. So on fire, I have a pot of rice already boiling away. It's almost done, and I have on fire in my wok pan some oil, and I'm just going to briefly pour in my onions. I'm just gonna allow it to cook a bit, and meanwhile I'm going to put like a couple of spring onions just for the color and flavor, whilst I incorporating the seasonings. So this is my all-purpose flour, all-purpose seasoning, sorry all-purpose seasoning. I'm just going to incorporate in some sage. I like to incorporate in sage in my cooking. A bit of thyme. So this is gonna be a very nice jollof recipe. I'm just going to incorporate in my Scotch bonnet, wanting a bit of heat. Okay, I'm just going to incorporate in some curry powder for the flavor and a bit of it. Not too much. So as I said, I'm gonna list the ingredients in the description for you to access. So I'm gonna put in my 2 eggs in there. It's just 2 large eggs with just a bit of salt to taste. Stir, then just pop this in. Already this place smells so divine. So have you tried my my rustic lemonade and pie recipe? I'm going to put a link in the description for you to access so that you try it out. It's so nice. So now, because the carrot is very hard, I'm just gonna put the carrot in there so that it softens up a bit. Ayesha's a place where your cooking is cared for. Carrots is almost done. I'm just gonna put in the sweet corn. Pop of color. I'm gonna put in bell's pepper. I'm gonna allow it to cook a bit, and then we'll incorporate in rice. Meanwhile, let me just add dark soy sauce. So fried rice is kind of a quick fix for you. If you want something quick, go fast. I'm gonna put the rest in briefly. Guys, our rice is done, and our base for the fried rice is also done. So what I'm gonna do right now is to pour in our rice, and then incorporating the plain rice with that of the base for the fried rice. Guys, our fried rice is done. We're just gonna incorporate
a place where your cooking is cared for. Come on,
adding lamb chops.
a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's unique cuisines. Shetu'S unique cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's unique cuisines. Ayesha's unique cuisines. Shetu'S unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Come on. Shetu'S unique cuisines. Shetu'S unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for.
Share the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, kindly subscribe.
You are
For
what
more
you
content
eat.
each week.
Eat well, live
And don't
well.
forget to share the video with others,
Unique
so that they will also
it shall
benefit.
be
Hope you have a good
just
time.
uniqueness. It
Take
shall
care.
be
From me to you.
just
Bye.
greatness. It shall be